Hey! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from MOTOROLA Edge for diffusion to an Android device. You need to begin by opening Play Store on both smartphones and installing completely free app called Send Anywhere. This one. Then open it. Now, in order to use this app, you need to click on I accept, confirm, continue, and allow on both smartphones. Then click on receive on an Android one and send on Motorola. After that, to transfer your files, you need to click on all of those dots and finally tap on send over here. This way you will select all of them and transfer them later on. It will take some time to do it now, so I will go with only one photo, then click on send and tap on got it in this pop-up. Now on an Android, select yes I agree or no thanks. Then click on close this window. Now we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by choosing this scanning icon over here, or we can input this key. If you wish to input it, you have a lot of time to do it. Just type it in over here and hit receive. If you wish to scan QR code though, just click on this scanning icon. Choose while using the app or only this time, and point your camera at the code. As you can see now, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!